Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Drinking coffee has been linked to numerous health benefits, including a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes and liver, heart, and neurological diseases. It may also benefit mental health and help you live longer. However, there are 4 types of people who should never drink coffee, as it can be bad for them. 1. People with irritable bowel syndrome. If you have irritable bowel syndrome, you might have uncomfortable or painful abdominal symptoms. Constipation, diarrhea, gas, and bloating are common. People with irritable bowel syndrome should not drink coffee, as caffeine in coffee can increase diarrhea, another major symptom of irritable bowel syndrome. 2. People with sleeping problems. Common sleep disorders like insomnia, restless leg syndrome, narcolepsy, and sleep apnea can affect every aspect of your life, work performance, and mental health. People with sleeping problems should avoid drinking coffee. This is because coffee contains caffeine, and consuming caffeine may lead to sleeplessness, anxiety, frequent nighttime awakenings, and overall poorer sleep quality. 3. People with overactive bladder. Overactive bladder causes a frequent and sudden urge to urinate that may be difficult to control. People with overactive bladder should not drink coffee. Drinking coffee can increase bladder activity and result in exacerbated symptoms, including higher urgency and frequency of urination, as well as increased incontinence. Reducing or eliminating caffeine intake or switching to decaffeinated varieties can decrease symptoms. 4. Pregnant women. If you are pregnant, the American Pregnancy Organization recommends you limit your caffeine intake. The researchers found that caffeine is believed to cause blood vessels in the uterus and placenta to constrict, which could reduce the blood supply to the fetus and inhibit growth. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.